Welcome to Health HQ, where we provide reliable information on medications and health. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Disprin, exploring its uses, potential side effects, and recommended dosages. Whether you need relief from headaches, menstrual cramps, or other types of pain, understanding this medication is essential. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. What is Disprin? So, what exactly is Disprin? Well, Disprin contains the active ingredient aspirin, which is a powerful pain reliever, anti-inflammatory, and blood thinner. It's widely used to treat everything from headaches and muscle pain to reducing fever and even preventing heart attacks when used correctly. Common uses. Disprin is versatile. It's commonly used for pain relief. Whether it's a headache, toothache, or muscle ache, Disprin can help. Fever reduction. If you're running a temperature, Disprin might be an option. Arthritis relief. It helps with minor aches from conditions like arthritis. Blood thinning. Under a doctor's advice, it's used to prevent heart attacks and strokes. Risks and side effects. But like all medications, Disprin isn't without its risks. Common side effects include stomach upset, heartburn, and nausea. More serious risks involve gastrointestinal bleeding and allergic reactions, and in children, there's the risk of Reye's syndrome, a rare but serious condition. Who should avoid Disprin? Pregnant women, children, anyone with a history of ulcers, or people with bleeding disorders should steer clear of it. Always consult your doctor before starting Disprin, especially if you have any of these conditions. Dosage guidelines. Now let's talk dosage. For adults, the typical dose depends on what you're treating, but it's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions. Disprin is usually taken with a full glass of water, and it's important not to exceed the recommended dosage or combine it with other NSAIDs. FAQ 1. Can I take Disprin if I'm pregnant? It's advisable to consult your doctor before taking Disprin while pregnant. 2. What should I do if I miss a dose? Take it as soon as you remember, but skip it if it's nearly time for your next dose. Do not double up. 3. Are there any food restrictions while taking Disprin? Taking Disprin with food or milk can help minimize stomach issues. 4. What happens if I overdose on Disprin? An overdose can lead to serious complications. Seek medical attention immediately if you suspect an overdose. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and medication reviews. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.